Hello students, today we are going to study about advertisement. It is a part of writing skill of your syllabus. Okay, so what is an advertisement? Why do we write advertisement? Advertisement is a public notice or announcement. Advertisement is a public notice or announcement for given to many peoples. When we want to contact many peoples, then we are using the advertisement, and advertisement is always published in, mostly it is published in newspaper. Okay, so there are two kinds of advertisement: classified and non-classified. You all read newspaper, and I hope you all have seen the advertisement in the newspaper. There is a particular column in the newspaper of classified or non-classified advertisements. Okay, right? So you have seen the advertisement in the newspaper, right? So there are two kinds of advertisement: classified and non-classified. Classified advertisements are brief and printed in newspaper, that we know. Always advertisements are very brief, very short. Situation vacant means there is a situation, means there is a you are the owner of any company or any institute and you want to appoint somebody. Situation wanted means you are the person who wanted the job. You are applying for the job. You wanted the job, not applying for the job. Sale and purchase of property and vehicle. Too late means to give on rent, किराए पर देना. Lost and found. आपने देखा होगा क्लासिफाइड जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट आपने न्यूज़पेपर में देखा होगा, खोया पाया, है ना. मिसिंग मीन्स पर्सन और पेट मिसिंग, गुमशुदा की तलाश, आपने देखा होगा जो हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर्स में होता है, दैट. एंड मैट्रिमोनियल फॉर मैरिज, दिस ऑल्सो यू हैव सीन इन न्यूज़पेपर. नेक्स्ट इज नॉन क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट. Commercially displayed is commercially displayed, and the main purpose of this non-classified advertisement is for the publicity and promotion of products. Okay, goods and things. Okay, now marking scheme. It consists of 4 marks: 1 mark for format, 1 mark for content, and 1 mark for expression. Important points to be remembered while writing an advertisement are: less than 50 words, it should not be more than 50 words, it should be under 50 words. Heading in capital letters, always the heading is written in capital letters. The type of advertisement is only the heading. जैसे situation vacant है, तो situation vacant will be the heading. So situation vacant word we will write in capital letters. Contact details at the end. At the end of the advertisement, you have to write the contact details, name, number or email of the person. Written in box. Notice should be placed in, advertisement should be placed in a box. It should be enclosed in a box. Now, okay, so now first we will take situation vacant. You are head of an organization and you want employees. When you want the employees, you are giving the advertisement of situation vacant. What things we have to remember while writing the advertisement of situation vacant? First one, heading in capital letters. Begin with wanted or required. Situation vacant advertisement are always started with the word wanted or required. Name of organization, post, qualification, age, sex and preference, salary, and with contact detail. Okay, this you have to remember. See, this is the format: capital letters, situation vacant, enclosed in a box, and at the end contact name, number or mail ID is written. This is the format. These 3 things are counted in format for 1 marks. Okay. Wanted a well qualified and experienced, you can write here whatever is given in the question: receptionist or teacher or anything. Male or female, minimum dash years of experience. You can write here 4 years experience, 3 years experience. If in the question that is given that how many years experience you need, so you have to write that. And if there is written that freshers are required, so you have to write fresher. Fresher means the person who is not having any experience of that job. Fluency in English and Hindi both. Knowledge of computer is must. Salary negotiable. Negotiable means if you are a deserving candidate, so at the time of interview the salary will be negotiated and the salary will be decided. Perks and incentives will also be provided. Perks means होता है additional benefits along with the salary. Additional benefits apart from the salary. It is not included in the salary. It is extra income which you are getting. Apply within 7 days. Apply within 7 days with complete biodata. Which 7 days? Means this situation vacant advertisement is published in newspaper. So on the date of on the date it was published, from that day under 7 days you have to apply with the your biodata. Contact name, number, mail ID. This is the format. Now see one example. You are principal of DPS School Delhi. You required a PGT maths for your school. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in newspaper. Word limit is under 50 words. Situation vacant in capital letter. Wanted. We have started heading with, begin with wanted or required. So wanted. Wanted a PGT maths for DPS School Delhi. Here we have written organization name and post. Okay. Qualification. Next is qualification. Qualification postgraduate with mathematics honors with B.Ed. Now age. Age 25 to 45 years. Can be of either sex. Sex means he can be male or female. Anything. Okay. Preference to the experienced candidate. यहाँ पर preference में हमने लिखा है कि preference will be given to the experienced candidate. Salary negotiable. Salary will be negotiable. Apply with complete data to principal DPS School Delhi. This is the contact detail. Okay. Now let's see one more example. You are the manager of Herbalife company. Draft an advertisement for your company for the post of sales executive. Specify requirements, expectation, qualification and personality of the candidate. So again, the heading. I think you all are aware now how to write an advertisement of situation vacant, right? So here we have used the word required. Required 5 young and dynamic sales executives for Herbalife company Bhopal. Qualification graduate with at least 2 years of experience in preference to those who had good communication skills. Attractive salary with other benefits. Apply with your complete biodata to the manager of Herbalife company Bhopal. In these 2 ways you can write the situation vacant advertisement. Now come to the situation wanted. Now let's move on to situation wanted. For this what we have to what we require to write: qualification, experience, nature of job, minimum salary, contact address and phone number. Okay, so this is the format. Again enclosed in a box, situation vacant with capital letters. A well qualified and experienced teacher is looking for job. Means you are an experienced teacher and you are writing for yourself. Okay, BSc Science, your qualification. Age 28 years, fluent in English and Hindi both. Okay, experience in a private school for more than 5 years. Expected salary 25,000. You have to write what expected salary you want. Okay, interested में contact name और number, आपका नाम और number यहाँ लिखना है. Okay, now see with the help of an example. You are Sunil or Sonia, a postgraduate in English literature with 90% marks. You have 5 years experience in teaching English. You are looking for a job of PGT English in Education Institute. Write an advertisement in 50 words for situation wanted in newspaper. Your contact number is this one. Again, heading situation wanted. A young postgraduate in English literature with 5 years of teaching experience seeks मतलब चाहता है, wanted. ठीक है, तो यहाँ seeks word use करेंगे तो it look standard. Okay, seeks the job of PGT English in an renowned education institute, good communication skill and able to handle students with discipline. Minimum salary expectation 50,000. You can write like this way: minimum salary expectation or salary expected, दोनों सही है. Okay, both way you can write. Please write to Sonia. Sonia is the name given in the question. Moti Bangla Road, it is the address of Sonia. Delhi, contact number is given in the question, that only we have written. Like this you have to write situation wanted. So today we have covered situation vacant and situation wanted. That's all for today. Thank you.